Welcome to Investing and You, the ultimate destination for all things related to investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out on your investment journey, our channel is designed to provide you with expert insights, practical tips, and valuable resources to help you make informed financial decisions. At Investing and You, we understand that investing can sometimes feel overwhelming and complex. That's why our mission is to simplify the world of investments and empower you to take control of your financial future. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality content that is both educational and engaging. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about investing. Our channel covers a wide range of investment topics, including stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and more. We provide in-depth analysis, market trends, and expert interviews to help you stay ahead of the game. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for retirement, or achieve financial independence, Investing and You is here to guide you every step of the way. Our videos are carefully curated to cater to the interests of our audience, who are keen on exploring different investment strategies and maximizing their returns. Subscribe to Investing and You today and unlock a world of investment opportunities. Don't miss out on our exclusive content where we share our top investment picks, portfolio management techniques, and the latest market updates. Remember, investing is not just about numbers. It's about securing a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Investing and You, your gateway to financial success.